What's going on? This is Dylan with Dylan Talks Stone. I'm coming at you from the pool today because there's an age-old question that I know you've wanted to know the answer to. I've wanted to know the answer to it. We have a guitar to test it. Can you play an acoustic guitar underwater and will sound actually move underwater? Theoretically, you should be able to play guitar underwater and hear it. Now, I don't know what it's going to sound like. I'm not really sure. But we're going to try it and let's see what happens. Now, before you get all Gibson-y on me and say you should have donated this guitar and all that stuff, remember that this is one of those Chinese guitars that they sent me. They sent me 2 of them. We ran over one with the truck. We'll put the little video gray thing up here for that one. But if you remember, they gave me 2 of them. And I've been trying to figure out what to do with this one. People said they wanted me to burn it. They wanted me to do all kind of stuff. But I couldn't be like Gibson and just trash for the sake of trashing. We got to do a science experiment. So that's why we're using this guitar that should not be donated or given to any child, or they should not be put through that. So we're going to use it for a science experiment. Let's see if this thing can be played underwater. All right, let's see if this is going to work. It doesn't work at all. I really thought it was gonna work, sorta. I really thought like you were gonna be able to play it and it was gonna like make thumpy bassy noises and stuff, but there was absolutely zero. It did not work at all whatsoever. So I guess that's the answer to that question. You cannot play an acoustic guitar underwater. Thanks for hanging out. Make sure you subscribe. You can think of any other experiments. I thought that was going to ruin the guitar too. It didn't. So if there's anything else we should do to this guitar, please put that in the comments. Try some other experiments. We'll see what's going on. But now you know you can't play an acoustic guitar underwater. Have a good one, and we'll see you soon.